Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to send a bulk envelope in Docusign. This feature lets us send the same document to many recipients at once, helping us save time and simplify our workflow. Now let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, we go to Templates. We can find templates in the upper right or upper left corner of the page. Just click Templates and then create a template. Here, we set our template name, such as Send to All or Sending Book. For the description, we can write Sending Work and mention that it is sent via CSV. That's all for this part. Now we can upload our CSV. Let's go to the desktop. There is a CSV file here, as you can see. We will show you the CSV. This file has 100 customers. This is a CSV file. We have 100 documents or customers in one file only. This helps us save time when uploading. We can upload this once instead of uploading them one by one. Let's return to the cassette. Here is the important part of the bulk envelope. Here, we can send to more recipients. For example, we can add a role, like user. Enter the email, such as user01@gmail.com or user01@gmail.com. Then add more recipients. We can add as many as we need, like user number 2, user 20, and so on, until we have added all the recipients we want. We can add up to 1,000 recipients. Add as many as needed. It's up to us, for example. Once we are done, just save and close. Now, this will create the bulk envelope, and this is how we send a bulk envelope in Docusign. With this feature, we can easily manage large document signing tasks without sending them one by one.